Are you searching for the best wall anchor gun? In this video, we will look at the top 5 best wall anchor gun in 2024, which save you time and money. Number 1, T.K.Excellent Hand Tool Wall Anchor Gun. It is the most popular and best-selling product in 2024. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 2. Hollow Drive Wall Anchor Screws Gun. It is another most popular and best-selling product. Orders, reviews, rating, price, but price may be changed at any time. Number 3. T.K.Excellent Hand Threaded Rivet Gun Set. Product features: one-hand operation, convenient and comfortable, save time and labor, easy to use, excellent material, strong and durable. It is widely used in hollow brick, wood, bonding board, fiber composite board, gypsum board, and other composite boards. It is mainly used for fixing screws, fastening and installation of hollow expansion screws, water and electricity maintenance and installation, construction, steel frame design and other industries. Wide applications can handle almost any of the most common sizes of plastics and metals to form strong, reliable rivet fasteners. Widely used in office furniture, mobile homes, public transport, plastic components, electrical engineering, and lighting to hold 2 or more components together. Usage method: drilling material, using the right size drill bit, drill froth the material to produce a hole for the rivet, placing rivet, place the pin of the rivet through the drilled hole, placing riveter, fuse the nozzle of the riveter onto the mandrel of the rivet, using rivet gun, skis the handles of the riveter together. Pulling action on the riveter cause the mandrel to break off, leaving the rivet permanently fixed, holding the pieces of material together.
Orders, reviews, rating, price. Price may be changed at any time.
Number 4. HIFESON Plasterboard Fixing Gun Hand Tool Wall Anchor Gun. Heavy-duty metal setting tool, hollow wall metal cavity anchor plasterboard fixing gun hand tool, wall anchor gun. Number 5. New Wall Anchor Screws Assortment Kit Setting Tool. Product features: premium material. This hollow wall anchor gun is made of high-strength steel body with forged carbon steel, which effectively increases the service life. Simple and effortless, small and powerful. It works perfectly with one-hand operation. Non-slip handle protects you from harm. Instructions for use: used to accurately and quickly install the hollow wall fixings into the hollow wall. Place the anchor into the pre-drilled hole. Attach the setup tool and squeeze the trigger. Wide application molly bolts for cavity anchor plasterboard fixation. Widely used in drywall, hollow block, plaster, tile, ideal for hanging curtain rods, lamps, picture frames, coat racks, power switches, suitable for a broad variety of industrial and commercial uses.